Hopefully we can get some short form footage this way of setting up for this job.
Well, today we'll be installing a wooden privacy fence on one side of our customer's house, and on the other side, not necessarily a privacy fence. It's only going to be 4 feet high, and it's just going to be gates to keep a very mild tempered pet in, maybe even a baby.
It's too big. I told you that before you snatched it out of my hand. Girl, where are you walking to? Where are you waving, girl? You got food in your mouth. Don't you put that in your mouth. You got food in your mouth. Chew what you got. Hey, come here. Come here. Are you pooping? Go put that in your mouth. I know you hear me. That's a toy, not food.
I put all my other toys in my mouth.
At this point, I have already found out that there is a line or pipe running towards the generator, most likely the gas line. I had to move the fence over about 4 inches closer to the house, and that was the only place that I had a problem there. Not too bad of a problem.
Trying to stay within the shadow ish, because like it's shadowed here, but still in the sun. There we go. Alright. Thought that was my pouch. There's a dog.
Now we gotta bring back on it once we set those 2 poles to get used to they can't move.
Stare into the abyss, and the abyss stares into you.
I think that's a gas line. It could be irrigation, could be a pipe, who knows. I'm just gonna try to stay away from it. I will pack some dirt around it before I dump the concrete in the hole. I don't think I got that on
Almost fell
camera.
into the abyss.
Don't tell me you didn't push that hole in. Rookie.
But if this part is down, and yeah. Ladies and gentlemen of the audience, I have been called worse. What's that saying? I've been thrown out of classier joints than this. Is that the one? I've been called worse by better people. What? I don't know. But no, I've been thrown out of classier joints than this. We are getting ready to mix concrete. This is Brian's unique way of opening these and getting them mixed. I don't think I'd ever seen it before, but I don't watch a lot of the shows that Brian does on YouTube. And you just put water in it till it feels right.
I can put enough water till my heart feels right. Be like the bungee strap, but
That's on the door.
And as always, you put a level on it to make sure they're plumb. And I did that with all of them.
or you come put your hand on this so it don't fall over. I don't want it to fall over. Bring that with you. Maybe you won't notice it once it's we're gonna let you set. Let me make sure I didn't mess with it too much.
Other stuff, huh?
Oh wow. We gotta move this one. Grab that impact there and that's it.
You can hold it.
There's no time limit. I mean, we got between now and March, so you're good. How'd your video go?
We haven't heard it. We don't know yet.
We haven't watched it back yet.
Yeah,
But
we haven't edited it. I think we got some good video. I got a couple good bloopers.
So, well, I am excited.
We had to move it. We was gonna put it in line with the shed, but we had to move it because you had a pipe in the way. So we
No
had to-
problem.
Yeah, pretty good to make sure.
Yeah, well, that's awesome. You got to go mess with those rocks again, didn't you? You're
Yeah.
the one who put them down, and now it's having to go through them again. That could be fun. I didn't think about that.
It wasn't that bad actually.
Oh, good.
Yeah,
Good,
it's not
good,
that
good.
bad.
That
We
is
put the
great.
bed. We get ready.
So next time it's just doing gates.
Well, we got actually because the other side is all gate
It's
anyway.
just all gates, yeah.
So,
Oh, that's so neat.
Post that.
yeah, we got the post up over there.
Oh.
We got tools over there. So we're gonna leave my tools here overnight.
Okay.
I gotta help my dad do something in the morning.
But there's still, I'm going to be at the church.
Look, you got a little spot to hide stuff.
Yeah, I do. You know me, I love storage. So I'm good. This is awesome.